about to have a new menu item. It's the Italian grinder sub. Now, the funny thing about this is Chicago is known for its Italian subs. There's places like Bari and Graziano's that make amazing Italian sandwiches. So, where does a sandwich inside the park rate? Because this is like a big undertaking for them to attempt. They said traditional Italian bread, but right off the bat, this looks more like a focaccia, sort of. Very airy. But, let's see. So the biggest problem with it is it's more bready than deli meat, but when you do get the hint of the dressing and the deli meat, it has a decent flavor, but it doesn't stand anywhere near like a great Italian sub. I'm also at a baseball game, but not a baseball game where there's, you know, above average food. So, like I said, the bread sort of overpowers the meat, which is never a good sign. There's a little bit of spiciness to it, which is nice. But overall, I'm going to give this one a 6.5. It does come with chips and a pickle, which is a nice touch. It's $14, so hoping for a little bit more from the sandwich standpoint. But overall, you know, not bad, not great. Probably won't get it again. But the flavor is okay, so that's why I'm going with 6.5 on this one. Peace out.